What's up, YouTube? My name is Kendra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're new. Hit that subscribe button before we even start and like this video. But I'm just going to be showing you guys how I got this soft glam, as y'all saw in the beginning of this video, as well as in my thumbnail. And I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera. I will have a list of all the products I use in this video, as well as having them pop on the screen so you guys can see. But I just went ahead with the Morphe palette. This is the 35V palette in Stunning Vibes, and I'm taking that shade, it's called In the Zone. I'm gonna be putting that all in my crease and basically like all over the lid. I only used 3 shades out of this palette to complete this look. It was pretty simple, so I'm just gonna make sure I blend that out really good, and then we're gonna move on to the next shade. So next, I'm just going in that shade, which is called 3 Little Words, and I'm going to be putting that in the center of my lid, kind of creating or mimicking like a cut crease in a way, but a real soft one. So I'm just going to put that all in the center of my lid and then blend those edges out. So next I'm going to be going into that very first shade of the palette. It's called Knockout, and it's a very light shimmery shade. I'm just popping that in my inner corners. So next I'm just taking a makeup remover wipe and just cleaning up under the eye. Next I'm going into my Kat Von D eyeliner. Y'all, I love this liner. It's so freaking pigmented and black, and I really like it. I got it from Sephora in a little Beauty Insider like sample package thing. So yeah, going in with that to create a wing. So after I do my wing, I'm going to clean up any mistakes I've made. I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toast just to clean up those wings. I am now going into my badescu Rose Water Spray just to bring that look together and prime my face. And then I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 445. We love this foundation. If y'all have watched any other of my makeup tutorials, y'all would know I love this foundation. So I'm just taking a brush and I'm just going to blend all of my foundation out real good. And then we are going to move on to highlighting and contouring the face. So after our foundation is well blended out, I'm going to be going back into the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toast and just highlighting all the areas that need to be highlighted. And then I'm going to be going on top of that with a little bit of Toffee, the same concealer, and just to give me like a little bit more of a highlighted look. and I'm going to be blending that out with one of my beauty sponges that I got from Shop Miss A. Once again, if you've watched any other of my makeup videos, you would know that I really like their sponges, and I will link them in the description box where you can buy them. They're only $1. That's why I'm mentioning them, and I want to put y'all on. So yeah, I'm just going to blend that concealer out, and then we're going to move on to contouring. So after I blended that concealer in really well, I'm going into my Black Radiance contour palette. I used the dark to deep one, and I'm taking that contour shade as well as mixing it with a little bit of the sculpt shade, and I'm just going in to contour the face. I'm also going to be contouring my nose and my forehead just a little bit. Now I'm going to be using my Black Radiance loose setting powder. It is in the shade Honeymoon. I love this setting powder. So I'm just cleaning up my contour, and then I'm going to set all the areas where I highlighted, and then I'm going to quickly dust that off with a big fluffy brush. So next I'm going on my setting spray. I'm using the one by Urban Decay. It's the Day Slick Oil Control one. I really like this one. And now we're going to be going in with mascara. I'm using Maybelline's Big Shot Mascara to coat my top lashes. I was debating, did I want to be extra or did I want to just be kind of extra but glam? Since it's a soft beat, I decided to go in with the soft glam looking lashes instead of the 25mm ones. So I'm just cutting those because my eyes are kind of small, and I'm gonna be applying some cheap glue that I got from the Beauty Supply store. I don't know if it's the Ardell one or if it's a different one. Any type of lash glue, really doesn't matter. And I'm just putting those lashes on. I will also link those in the description box if you guys want to know where I purchased my lashes from. I always get them from AliExpress, because some people have asked me in the past. They really cheap, affordable, and they come with like so many pairs on that freaking little packaging that you get. So yeah, go check the description box out so y'all can see exactly which ones I use. And I also have a video on how to apply lashes for beginners. I might make an updated one, so let me know what y'all think. But I'm just going back in with that mascara, and I'm putting that on my bottom lashes. And now we're going back into that contour palette, the Black Radiance one, and we're taking that highlight shade and we're highlighting everywhere, sis. We want to glow, okay? So I'm just hitting the top of my lip, my nose, my chin, everything, my cheekbones, and I'm setting my face again with that setting spray. And now we're moving on to the lips, and I'm going to be going in to my soft matte lip cream, and this is the shade Berlin that I'm using. And I was trying to see how it looked by itself, but I really wasn't feeling it. 9 times out of 10, when you my complexion, colors look better with a brown lip liner. So I'm just taking my actual eyebrow pencil that I use. I have so many of them, so sometimes I use it as a lip liner as well, because it gives me that dark brown like lip line that I like. So yeah, that really concludes this makeup look, y'all. It was super simple, a soft glam. We're glowing, we're not doing too much, but we still look glam, period. And it only took us 3 eyeshadows to get this look. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, like and comment, hit that bell for post notifications, and let me know what y'all thought of the look. And yeah, I will see y'all in my next video.
Was you love pick up the phone when you home? All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kiss me some hug. No, I never had to let you go to the club, but you always made me